Hey guys, LJ here, and if you have been like me and you're out and about and you are dying to have a toothbrush, as a friend of mine used to say, you have sweaters on your teeth and you really need a brush, or you need a floss, or you need a toothpick, all of the above, these by nicedae are a great way to just stash these around in your office, in your car, in your purse. I put these in the guest bathroom. I put them in our half bathroom because you never know when someone's coming over to your house and they may really need to brush their teeth or floss or do all of the above. These are such a great little combination tool and at a great price because you get a huge box of 60 of these things in a box. Very nice. These are by the brand nicedae, and it's nicedae on the end of there. Nicedae. Hopefully my camera's picking that up for you. And then these are they're a 5-in-1 little tool. I'll go ahead and open one here. And so they're individually packed, which is nice. You get the toothbrush with the toothpaste already on there. Now these are the mint flavor. I absolutely love mint, but apparently they also have a peach flavor. If you're not in love with a mint, you can do a peach flavor. You have a tongue scraper on the back of this thing here. It also has this floss piece here, so you can nicely floss between your teeth. Apparently these are braces friendly toothbrushes. The bristles are small enough to get in and around those braces and not cause issues there. And that little dollop of toothpaste is giving you the nice fresh breath. Then you can pull these apart and you have a toothpick right there, nice and handy. I can't tell you how many times I've been out to eat, especially eating steak or things like that, and I really need a toothbrush. And it seems like less and less restaurants are carrying toothpicks for you to offer up. I keep these stashed in my purse, in my cosmetic bag. I also keep some in our glove box in our cars. Again, we keep them in our bathrooms for all of our guests to have some as an option. Absolutely love these little guys. This is so handy. I can refresh my breath. I'm driving down the road and it feels like I need to freshen. I can just grab one of these out of the glove box. Don't need to rinse, and I can just brush my teeth really quick or floss or have the toothpick if I have something that feels like it's stuck, and I'm good to go. And then I can just put it back in this little package and throw them away and I'm good to go. I would absolutely recommend these to keep on hand for yourself, to have on hand for your guests, keep in your office, any of those things. These by nicedae are very, very good. I've been very impressed, very happy with the whole combination tool there. Hope this helps. I hope you're having a great day, and thanks for watching.